Hi, Leann Forst here, and today we're going to talk about how to make an essential oil roller bottle blend. I like to call it the 911 blend for this time of year because everybody seems to be under the weather. I know that my family has been struggling to stay healthy because they're exposed to so many germs at school, and it seems like everybody around us is sick. And so I am going to show you how to make the 911 blend for when you're feeling a little bit under the weather to help boost your immunity and get you back on track with your health. So first, we're going to be using 5 different essential oils from doTERRA, and the first one is called On Guard. Now, On Guard is a blend in itself that helps to boost immunity and support your health. And I'm going to put 5 drops in my 5 milliliter roller bottle, okay? Next, we're gonna put in Melaleuca. I love Melaleuca. I call this my debugger because it has so many uses. You can use Melaleuca on its own. It is antifungal, antibacterial. When strep throat is going around the school, this is something that I can roll on to the back of my kid's neck. You could put it in the laundry if, like my son comes home with stinky football gear, I'll put a couple drops in the laundry to get rid of that funky smell. Or even for a DIY shower spray. So Melaleuca has a lot of uses. You can also diffuse it to detoxify your indoor air. So we're going to put 5 drops of this into our roller bottle, and then lemon. So lemon in itself is a great detox essential oil. And not only can you take it internally, I put a couple drops in my water to detoxify my entire lymphatic system, but you can also use it in, again, DIY all-purpose cleaners. You can make with spray bottles. You can also detoxify your indoor air by diffusing it. And so we're going to put 5 drops into our roller bottle. And it's almost empty. There we go. And then we're gonna put in oregano. All right, so oregano is one that comes in, it's one of the top 10 oils. It comes in every doTERRA kit, but it's probably the one you use the least, and hopefully that's the case because oregano is a go-to when you really have something, you're really under the weather and something is really going on underneath the surface. This is your go-to oil. So you don't wanna wait for shipping. When you really need oregano, you need it right now. So it's great to have on hand. And I'm gonna put 2 drops of oregano because it's so powerful. You only need 2 drops. Okay. And there we go. And then lastly, we're going to do frankincense. So frankincense is a natural anti-inflammatory, and it's called the king of oils for a reason because it has so many health benefits. So for instance, my son was dealing with bronchitis, and bronchitis is a viral infection, but his lungs were inflamed. So frankincense is a great one to diffuse. It's also safe to take internally in a veggie capsule, and it's one that you can use just individually and put it in its own roller bottle and rub it on the bottom of your feet or the area of concern. But for today's roller bottle, the 911 blend, we're gonna add 2 drops of frankincense because it is so powerful. We only need 2 drops. Okay, so we had 5 oils: On Guard, Melaleuca, we had lemon, oregano, and frankincense to our 911 blend. And then we're gonna simply top it off with fractionated coconut oil, and then you're gonna pop on your roller ball, okay? And then you're basically gonna rub it onto the bottom of your feet at night or several times throughout the day if you're under the weather. And this is going to support your health and get you back on your feet in no time.